The coffee moment that changed everything. At 68, Robert thought getting weaker was just part of aging. One morning, his hand shook so badly he spilled his coffee all over the table. That moment scared him. He wasn't sick. He wasn't lazy. But his strength was quietly slipping away. 6 weeks later, something surprising happened. Robert felt steadier. His knees hurt less. He moved easier. Not because of a gym, not because of expensive supplements, but because he changed one small thing in that same cup of coffee. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what it was, along with 7 other powerful additions most seniors have never been told about. Why coffee after 60 is different. Coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up anymore, especially after 60. After this age, the body loses up to 8% of muscle every decade, increasing the risk of falls, fractures, weakness, and even early death. But here's the shocking truth. When combined with the right natural ingredients, coffee can actually help rebuild strength, reduce inflammation, and protect your muscles. Today, you'll discover 8 proven additions you can stir into your coffee. We'll count down from number 8 to number 1. Back-end index pointing right, stay until the end, because the number 1 ingredient has been shown to improve strength and mobility in seniors by over 40%. Before we start, how old are you and where are you watching from? Tell us in the comments. We read everyone. Number 8, cinnamon, the blood sugar stabilizer. Cinnamon isn't just for desserts. When added to coffee, it helps stabilize blood sugar, something critical after 60. Unstable blood sugar silently drains muscle energy and speeds up muscle loss. Just 1/2 teaspoon of true cinnamon in your morning coffee can. Reduce inflammation. Improve circulation. Keep muscles properly fueled. Small habit. Big protection. Number 7, unsweetened cocoa powder, the circulation booster. Poor circulation means weak muscles. Unsweetened cocoa powder is rich in flavonols that help blood vessels relax and deliver oxygen to muscles. Just 1 teaspoon in coffee can. Reduce stiffness. Improve walking endurance. Support muscle recovery. Make sure it's unsweetened, not hot chocolate mix. Number 6, coconut oil or MCT oil. Clean energy without crashes. As we age, the body struggles to use sugar efficiently. MCT oil provides ketones, a clean fuel for muscles and the brain. Benefits include steady energy, fewer cravings, easier movement. Start with 1 teaspoon, blend it into coffee. Number 5, milk or soy milk. Easy protein support. Protein becomes more important after 60. Adding milk or soy milk to coffee provides complete protein, leucine for muscle preservation, bone support. Even half a cup helps slow overnight muscle loss. Skip sugary creamers. This actually strengthens your body. Number 4, collagen powder, joint and mobility support. After 60, collagen production drops every year. This leads to stiff joints, pain, and slower recovery. Adding 1 scoop of collagen powder to coffee provides amino acids that support muscles, joints, bones. It dissolves easily, has no taste, and helps keep you moving. Number 3, whey protein, muscle rebuilder after 60. Many seniors lose muscle because their bodies become resistant to protein. Whey protein is rich in leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Studies show seniors using whey gain more lean muscle, better balance, improved walking speed. Add 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate to hot coffee. Number 2, ground chia seeds, omega-3s, fiber and strength. Tiny seeds, big impact. Ground chia seeds provide protein for muscles, omega-3s for joints and brain, fiber for digestion and blood sugar. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground chia seeds to hot coffee. Ground is important. Whole seeds don't absorb well. Number 1, turmeric plus black pepper, the ultimate anti-inflammatory. This is the most powerful addition on the list. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces inflammation, the hidden cause of muscle loss and joint pain after 60. But without black pepper, your body absorbs almost none of it. Together, absorption increases by up to 2,000%. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. a small pinch of black pepper. This combination has helped seniors regain mobility, reduce pain, and move more freely, just like Robert did. Final recap: turn coffee into medicine. Let's recap the 8 additions. Cinnamon, blood sugar control. Cocoa, circulation. MCT oil, clean energy. Milk or soy milk, protein. Collagen, joint support. Whey protein, muscle growth. Chia seeds, omega-3s. Turmeric plus black pepper, inflammation defense. Each one is simple, affordable, and science-backed. Backhand index pointing right. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more tips to stay strong, mobile, and independent after 60. Remember this: your morning coffee can either steal your strength or help rebuild your future. The choice is yours. Hot beverage flex biceps.